a lot, but won't settle for one play. I don't need a lot, but I need me a model, bitch. Shawty gon' fuck up the runway. And I'm smoking this out of a play, make a pee-wee at Jesus OG on a Sunday. And when I lost my father, it made me go harder. I wish you could hear what your son say. I know I had to make decisions for the better. Designer the sweater, that's to keep it wetter. They take advantage, but I never let them. We used to go purple perfect in the Jetta. I'm always aiming for the perfect matter. She matching my fly and shit, we drip together. Niggas still hating on the miss whatever. She matching my fly, let's take a trip together. She tryna get high, let's take a hit together. I live in disguise, I need a new scene. She love how I'm living, got my shit together. I'm ballin', but I ain't had no hoop dream. I'm tryna make this money last forever. Young nigga bring it in by any means. Pray some relationships will last forever, but most of the shit ain't really what it seems. I been on my grind, I'm all about the green. Blue honey, she know she on the winning team. I don't let nothing else come in between. Been stabbed in the back, they watch the nigga bleed. I just took a hit of the medical. I got money on my mind, I might forget to sleep. They tell me I'm changing, shit is best for me. It's all for the better if you next to me. I dropped the bag on the whole fit. Niggas is mad cause they don't mix. Fuck what you had, what you gon' get. Stuck in my bag on my own shit. I dropped the bag on the whole fit. Niggas is mad cause they don't mix. Fuck what you had, what you gon' get. Stuck in my bag on my own shit. I dropped the bag on the whole fit. Niggas is mad cause they don't mix. Fuck what you had, what you gon' get. Stuck in my bag on my own shit. I dropped the bag on the whole fit. Niggas is mad cause they don't mix. Fuck what you had, what you gon' get. Stuck in my bag on my own shit. Stuck in my bag, ain't no looking back, but look, I can still brag on the old shit. She want a solid nigga about his money, that shit you can have if you don't switch. I see niggas crashing and don't sit. I'm in that nigga even as a chick. All of my niggas